Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video we have this 2016 Nissan 370Z Nismo, and I looked all over Google for this. I didn't find anything. I was really confused on what to do. So the problem I was having with this car was a coolant leak after I turned it off when it was warm. And the issue that I found was these two caps. There's two right here, and you can't mix these two. The one with the spring goes on the reservoir tank. The one without goes right here. Even it says on here, if you look, it says do not fit on the reservoir tank. And I had this on the reservoir tank, so it was leaking a ton of coolant when I turned the car off, and it was really confusing. I knew, because it's a brand new car. It's 2016. It's got only 22,000 miles. And yeah, so if you guys having that issue, that's the way to fix it. Please consider subscribing, giving us a thumbs up, and follow us on Instagram at Bros Rebuilds. Thank you.